So SkyGuard Creative here, and here how to make this animation inside Photoshop. So let's go. Okay, so go to File, New, choose the width 1080 by 1920. This is portrait, create. Choose this background layer, duplicate it, rename it photo. Okay, convert it to a smart object, and go to shape. Let's create a new shape. Polygon tool, 3 sides, and Control T, rotate it minus 15 degrees and scale down a bit and press enter. We need a new one. Just duplicate it, Control T, and okay, now we have two rectangles here, two triangles, and we need to extract the small one from the big one. Click shape tool, select both, go to plus and exclude shapes. Yes, Control E. There we go. Okay. Now duplicate this. Let's add the photo here. I have it here. Photos, and choose this one and get added inside Photoshop. Control T, scale it down. I need this blue area down here. Okay, press enter. Control S. Okay. Now duplicate this. Control T. Flip vertical to above the triangle, and press Alt from your keyboard and go between those layers here. Make a clipping mask and click. So we have this triangles here. Now if we change this picture, it will change this one too. I need just to click. I need more sky down here, so I go to this photo and scale up. And down a bit, control this, close here. So yeah, it's okay. Control T, flip horizontal to yes. So and control, don't forget to save it. Save it like Parallax and save. Press OK. And I have here a code about the nature for Albert Einstein. Copy this. D. Come here. Control V. Look the event in nature is like 40 pixels. Choose another font. Like Young Self. It's a free font from Google. Yes. Look deep into nature. Contrast. Bring the second part. Copy. And Ctrl A, Ctrl V. I need to change font here, like it's bold. Regular will be good. Yes, well. Ouch. Yes. Okay. And I need another shape rectangle tool. Like it comes from top to down here. Okay. Double click, change it to white. Press V from your keyboard. Ctrl S, don't forget to save. And duplicate this too. This is code Albert Einstein. Choose the regular bold. Okay, that's good. Now we will go to the next part, animation. So go to window, timeline, create video timeline. We have here two options. Make sure you choose the first one, create video timeline, and click. We need this layer here, photo, on this arrow, choose transform, move this keyframe to the last keyframe here, and the first keyframe will be big. Scale it up a bit and press enter. Okay, now from big to small, and this one, the second one, transform. Okay, and the first keyframe will be from small to big. Next thing, limit this text. First text here, orange, transform, and opacity. Catch those keyframes, go to 1 second, almost 1 second, and down, and opacity will be 0. So yes, and to the end. Alphabet, yes. Just take this keyframe, catch this one. So it comes fast and slow to the end. Okay, this wiggle will disappear when you render the file. So yes, and now we need to animate this line here, rectangle, convert it to smart objects. Okay, give it color red and transform. Go to first keyframe, Ctrl T, and we need to scale it down from down to up. Yes, okay, it is end. Okay, press enter, and now if we, yes, wait. Now I need to this text too, with the same animation as the text one. So give it a yellow color, and let's start from here. Transform like 20 keyframes, and make keyframe. Go to the first keyframe, move it here to here, click shift when you move it, so it goes in a straight line, and make keyframes here. So we go to the last keyframe and down a bit. So yes, sibling, opacity, so first keyframe we get 0%, and yeah, so we finished here. 5, 5 here, 5 seconds. Okay. Yes. Press Ctrl S. And now if we need to change this this photo here, speaker channel, can change it. Just open it and this choose this one. Just drag and drop. Here. Press Enter, Ctrl S. Yes. So, this I need to add here set your brightness and contrast just above the second, above the all photos. Okay. Bring the brightness down so I can see, and the contrast up a bit so I can see the coat here. And add level. Let's control this. Now we have this animation. For 5 seconds. Okay. Now, there's a little button here. Choose render video. Yes, Parallax. Choose folder here. And okay. Choose H.264. Choose Adobe Media Encoder, high quality, 1080 by 1920, and hit render. And let's open it. Yes. Like, and play. Yeah. So we all done here. Thank you.